Welcome to the world of the green revolution. Today, we'll explore how peas can be grown without soil using modern hydroponic technology, from seed all the way to a fully grown harvest. We begin with seed preparation. High-quality pea seeds are soaked in water for 8 to 12 hours so they soften and germinate quickly. The soaked seeds are then placed in hydroponic grow trays where moisture is maintained, without letting water stand at the bottom. Within 24 to 48 hours, the seeds begin to crack open and tiny white sprouts emerge. Once the sprouts grow stronger, they are transferred to either the nutrient film technique (NFT) system or a deep water culture (DWC) system. In these systems, roots stay submerged in nutrient-rich water while the plants absorb oxygen from the surrounding air. The most critical element here is the nutrient solution. Peas require a balanced mix of NPK, calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals. The pH level is maintained between 5.8 and 6.5 to ensure proper nutrient absorption. The lighting setup includes white and blue LED grow lights that provide about 12 to 14 hours of light each day. By the 10th day, the plants appear vibrant, deep green, and show rapid growth. Because the roots stay in oxygen-rich water, the plants grow significantly faster. Compared to traditional farming, hydroponic yields are nearly double, and water usage is reduced by up to 90%. Between 15 and 20 days, the plants begin to grow taller and develop tendrils. At this stage, support sticks or trellis nets are provided to help them grow upward. The entire environment is fully controlled. Temperatures are kept between 64 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius, and humidity between 50% and 70%. This controlled climate also protects the plants from diseases. Between 25 and 30 days, flowering begins, and shortly after, small green pea pods start to appear. These pods fill out quickly, and within 7 to 10 days, they reach full size. And just like that, in 35 to 45 days, your hydroponic peas are ready for harvest, clean, healthy, chemical-free, and grown entirely without soil. This modern technique not only makes farming easier but also produces higher yields in smaller spaces, opening new doors for the future of agriculture. If you're thinking about starting hydroponic farming, now is the perfect time to try this technology. This is the future of farming, soil-free but incredibly fertile.